Stitch Pop for Kids presents All About Sewing Machines. Hello, sewing friends. Let's talk about sewing machines. Aren't they wonderful? A sewing machine is any of various foot-operated or electric machines for sewing or making stitches, ranging from machines with a shuttle for a spool of thread and a needle for sewing garments, to industrial machines for sewing leather, book pages together, and so much more. Although there may be over 20 different types of sewing machines, we will talk about 5 types and a few of their variations. The first type of sewing machine is a general domestic sewing machine. This is what most people think of when they think of a sewing machine in the home. There are 2 well-known types of domestic machines: mechanical and electronic or computerized. Mechanical machines are very basic. They do not have any electronics or computerized functions, and they use knobs to adjust the settings. They are great for beginners. Computerized or electronic machines feature small monitor displays for easier operation. A computer is used to control several different motors, giving you the ability to precisely move the needle bar, the tensioning discs, the feed dog, and other sewing machine parts. Many of them can perform many different types of stitches and buttonholes. The second type is an industrial or commercial sewing machine. These are used in factories and are built for heavy, long-term usage. The third type is an overlock or serger sewing machine. They overcast seams to prevent material from fraying at the edge. The fourth type is an embroidery machine. Embroidery creates beautiful pictures and letters with thread. The fifth type is a quilting machine. Quilting sewing machines can sew as well as use stitching to join at least 3 layers together, which is quilting. Long-arm quilting machines are used only for quilting and offer many different quilting functions. They can be hand and or computer guided. There are many different sewing machine brands. When choosing a machine, do your research to see which company and machine will work for the type of sewing you want to learn. Let's take a look inside sewing machines. This is inside a computerized or electronic sewing machine, and you can see the motherboards, the circuits, and the wires, and all the different parts that those wires extend to in order to run. This is the inside of a mechanical sewing machine, and as you can see, there's no wires. Instead, you see fan belts and gears and lots of metal parts. Now let's take a look outside sewing machines. Note, your machine's manual should show a detailed diagram of your specific model. If you don't have a manual, check the manufacturer's website. Often, manuals can be found online and downloaded. Choosing a sewing machine is both simple and complex. It is simple because you often know what type you are looking for based on the type of sewing you wish to learn or practice. It is complex because there are so many options and brands for each type of sewing machine. Here are a few questions and considerations that might help you narrow down your choice of machine. What is your budget? Do you want a foot pedal or do you want to push a button to begin sewing? How many different types of stitches does the machine perform? How many do you need? What type of stitches does the machine perform and what type do you need? Are the stitch length and width adjustable? Does it have a built-in free arm and extension table? These are helpful for larger projects. Is the needle position adjustable? Can you drop the feed dogs? Does it have an automatic needle threader? Some of the machines have them, but they don't work well. Be sure to test it out. If you can, test out some machines to see which ones feel comfortable for you. Everyone is different and has different requirements. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, contact us at the Stitch Pot for Kids online sewing school.